Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 66 El Camino. I'll set the parking brake. It works. Like I said, you can see the clock works. I think if you looked at my pictures, you can see the dome light works. There the stereo turns on. Get to a station, don't we? Well, there we go. There's the music. See your oil pressure gauge, temp gauge, and your fuel gauge. So all of them must work. There's your wipers. Horn works. Kind of sounds a little sick, but it worked there, so must be original type horn. And then, of course, has the heater and the here's the fan working with the vintage air type system in it. So, tilt wheel. It's just a really, really nice car. And all the little blinkers here. You can see the blinker on the left side, blinker on the right side. Sounds good. Got a Edelbrock intake on it. Valve cover, vintage valve covers. Edelbrock carb. Vintage air power trim. Like I said, it really runs good. It's 350. So not the original motor. There's your headlights. Let you listen to the exhaust. Got turn downs behind the tires. So, everything works, runs and drives great. Any questions? 605-695-7391.